Meaning of Enabling Act.
Enabling Act.
Enabling Act.
Enabling Act.
Enabling Act. Enabling Act is a term used to refer to legislation that grants an individual or group of individuals special powers to carry out specific actions. The result of an enabling act can vary depending on the context and the scope of the powers granted. In some cases, enabling acts have been used to facilitate the implementation of controversial policies or to consolidate power within a single individual or group. This has sometimes led to abuses of power, making enabling acts a contentious topic in political discourse.